Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to delete all Google Photos on your iPhone. You have to start by open Google Photos application, and now we need to select all of them. We haven't a button select all, so let's click at the three dots near to the one day, and now select months. Now it's sorted by months, and also I recommended to click stack similar photos. After that, let's select it. And now we need to remove it, so click right here at the trash icon and OK. Delete. Now we removed it, but not permanently. To remove these photos permanently, you need to go to collection and right here click at the bin. Then we don't need to select it again, just click at these three dots and then select empty bin. And I don't need to remove these photos, but if you need, you just click delete and it will delete permanently. And you cannot restore these photos after you delete it permanently. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!